Welcome to you on my YouTube channel Learn with Sidra. Here are some common verbs and three types of sentences based on present, past, and future indefinite tenses. So let's get started. Verb is meet. I meet my friend today. I met my friend yesterday. I will meet my friend tomorrow. Write. I write my work. I wrote my work. I will write my work. Write. He writes a story. He wrote a story. He will write a story. Scold. She scolds her son. She scolded her son. She will scold her son. Play. They play with their toys. They played with their toys. They will play with their toys. Teach. He teaches him drawing. He taught him drawing. He will teach him drawing. Fly. He flies a kite. He flew a kite. He will fly a kite. Talk. They talk with each other. They talked with each other. They will talk with each other. Think. She thinks about her homework. She thought about her homework. She will think about her homework. Push. He pushes hard. He pushed hard. He will push hard. Quarrel. They quarrel with each other. They quarreled with each other. They will quarrel with each other. Weep. He weeps bitterly. He wept bitterly. He will weep bitterly. Hit. He hits his knee with a rock. He hit his knee with a rock. He will hit his knee with a rock. See. She sees a nightingale. She saw a nightingale. She will see a nightingale. Read. I read a story. I read a story. I will read a story. Pull. He pulls his sister's hair. He pulled his sister's hair. He will pull his sister's hair. Buy. He buys vegetables. He bought vegetables. He will buy vegetables. Run. She runs fast. She ran fast. She will run fast. Drink. The girl drinks milk. The girl drank milk. The girl will drink milk. Sleep. He sleeps well. He slept well. He will sleep well. Eat. He eats fruit. He ate fruit. He will eat fruit. Jump. She jumps high. She jumped high. She will jump high. Fly. She flies happily. She flew happily. She will fly happily. Wake up. Zan wakes up early in the morning. Zan woke up early in the morning. Zan will wake up early in the morning. Drive. He drives a car. He drove a car. He will drive a car.